Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video I would like to solve one of the ratio analysis question which is already appeared in December 2019 examinations. So equity share capital 1 lakh. The relevant ratios of the company as follows: current debt to total debt 40, then total debt to owner's equity 60, fixed asset to owner's equity 60, then total asset turnover 2 times, inventory turnover 2 times. With the help of the above information, complete the balance sheet of PKJ Limited. Okay, so this is all about. So now solve this question. As we know, here let's prepare a working notes before making a balance sheet. So here current debt to total debt given 40. Okay, equity share capital already given 1 lakh and current debt to total debt 40. So fixed asset is equal to fixed asset to owner's equity given 60. 60 means if share capital is rupees 1 lakh, then fixed asset must be 60,000. That is 100 into 60%. Likewise, fixed asset is equal to 0.60 into owner's equity, means 0.60 into 1 lakh is equal to 60,000. Okay, so we obtain fixed asset. Now again questions ask about total debt to owner's equity 60, means total debt is equal to total debt is equal to 0.60 into owner's equity. Is equal to 0.60 into 1 lakh is equal to 6,000. Okay, we obtain fixed asset, then total debt. Now here see, here total asset given, fixed asset given, and total asset turnover given. So if total debt to owner's equity is equal to 60, means 60,000, then equity share capital 1 lakh, that means total liability is 1 lakh 60. If total liability is 1 lakh 60, then total asset must be 1 lakh 60. Both fixed asset and current asset must be 1 lakh 60. So as we know that as we know that asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Okay, liability plus owner's equity, and we know that liability is equal to 60,000 plus owner's equity given 1 lakh. Then this is the total assets. Then the total equity is also 60,000 plus 1 lakh is equal to 1 lakh 60. Okay. Again, here total asset turnover 2 times given, then inventory turnover 8 times given. That means, right, total asset turnover is equal to 2 times inventory turnover given eight times. Therefore, inventory divided by inventory divided total asset is equal to 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4, and we know one lakh 60 total assets. If total asset 1 lakh 60, therefore inventory will be 1 lakh 60 divided by 4. 40,000. So we obtain inventory 40,000. Now we have to found cash. Cash means, how to find out cash? We have to subtract total current assets minus inventory. Here, if since as we know that if fixed asset is here we have already obtained fixed assets. Okay, we have already obtained fixed asset. We have already obtained fixed asset 60,000. That means if fixed asset is rupees 60,000, then current asset must be 1 lakh, because our total asset is equal to 1 lakh 60. If fixed asset is rupees 60,000, then current asset must be 1 lakh. So here we obtain current asset 1 lakh, and we have already obtained inventory, that is 40,000. Okay, so now cash is equal to 60,000. So we have obtained all the requirements. Now we have made a balance sheet accordingly. We have to prepare a balance sheet. In the books of PKJ Limited, in the books of PKJ Limited, balance sheet. Okay, liabilities, amount, assets, amount. Okay, so first, owner's equity given 1 lakh, and current debt already asked that current debt to total debt 60, means if total debt, current debt to total debt is equal to 40%, means if total debt 60, then current debt is equal to okay 24,000. Clear? So as we know, total liability is 1 lakh 60. Total liability already we have obtained 1 lakh 60. Then total debt must be balance sheet figure 36,000. Balance sheet figure. Clear? Now asset side. Okay, asset 1 lakh 60. Fixed asset fixed asset 60,000. हम लोगों को 60,000 मिल गया है फिक्स एसेट. One lakh into 60 by 100. Again cash we have already obtained cash. 1 lakh current asset minus 40,000 inventory, 60,000 cash here, and we have already obtained inventory. That is 1,60,000 divided by 4 is equal to 40,000. Okay, now we have already solved the problem and also prepare balance sheet accordingly. This is it, all about ratio analysis. Owner's equity 1 lakh, current debt 24,000, that is 60,000 into 40%, 24,000. Total debt is equal to 36,000, that is balancing figure, and fixed asset already given 1 lakh into 60%, that is 60,000, and cash, current asset minus inventory 60,000, inventory 1 lakh 60 divided by 4, 40,000. So also we have already solved this question. This question already appeared in December 2019 exams. Okay, so you just need to remember the formula very well and practice as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching.